Is it in there?
Let's go.
What's up, pretty gang? I am back with another video, period. Today, I'm about to be doing a nose piercing. I got this little kit from Amazon. Got the wipes. It has 2 of these little clamps, some gloves, and then, hold on, let me show y'all. It came with all of these different kind of rings, jewelries and stuff. Got me some belly piercings. Period. These are for tongue piercings. Like, period. Call me the pretty piercer. Period. The pretty piercer. Period. What I'm about to use for my nose piercing is these little hoops. Okay, I'm about to wash my hands. I don't want to touch nothing without washing my hands. Jewelry that I got 120 pieces of jewelry from Amazon. So yeah, I don't know why they didn't like label which piercing is for what, because it's a kit and obviously like people, how are we supposed to know? Like, how are we supposed to know? Like, bad on Amazon, bad. But yeah, I'm about to use these right here. I got these alcohol wipes right here. And the needles are also in this pack. They come with hella needles. Wipes. And I got all of this. It was $13.99, but then, excuse me. Thank you. And then, but with shipping, it was $22, I believe. So it's really affordable. These come with some big ass needles. I don't know about that. I don't know. I thought the needles, they look smaller. These motherfuckers stick. But I'm a G. Oh, my whole eyelash coming off. I'm gonna fix that later. Don't talk about me. Don't talk about me. Period. Talk about your mommy. Okay, so I'm about to put on my gloves. They only came with 1 pair of gloves and all these jewelries and stuff, but I got a whole box of black gloves, so I'm fine. Oh damn, I should have opened this. I done ripped this shit. Alright, so you're supposed to let it soak in some alcohol. I'm using 70% of the green alcohol because that's just what I got at home right now. I'm going to open it first and then put it in the alcohol. Okay. So I got it in here, a little jar top. I'm scared. Alright, I got this. Cause I'm a motherfucking gangster. Where do I want it? I want it to be like parallel to my, hold on. See that little dot? Yeah. I want it right there. I ain't gonna lie, I want it like right there. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the second dye, not the first one. Oh shit, oh shit. Okay, okay. I got this. I got this. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my goodness, it's just, the needle is just so big. I had this side pierced so many times. So, I got this, But that's a big ass needle. Alright. Oh shit. I can't do it. No, it's fine. I'm about to do it. No, oh no. Oh no. Am I getting myself into? I could picture myself just but then when I get up there to I can't You got what I'm saying? You feel me? Cause this is real shit. Like, this is life or death. Do you hear me? This is life or death. If I pierce it the wrong way, I'm dead.
Breathe out. Breathe in.
Is it in there? Is it in there?
I think so.
Ah! Put it through. Oh, that hurt. This shit not going through for nothing. Some Vaseline. That shit ain't going through for nothing, bruh. ain't going through. I don't know what to do. I'm mad. All that's in my nose is Vaseline. Don't come for me, but okay. This shit ain't going through for real.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Y'all like it though? It got all the way through. That shit don't even fit, do it? Well, just dropped another ball, but we're here now, and I don't think this is going to fall out unless I give her drugs. I got blood everywhere, but it was worth it. That shit hurt. I'm not gonna touch it no more. I'm just about to clean it. So that's the end of fucking trying to do me a nose piercing. Would I do it again? Hell no. I don't even like this shit. I'm over it. But you know what? I did it, and we're here, and it hurt way more than this one, and it's like right across from each other. So maybe this is just heavy. With the other jewelry, it didn't hurt like this, but now it's just heavy and it hurts. And I mean, it's been hurting, but fuck, it hurt. I have some sea salt wash from Zebras that I got a few years ago from this. So that's what I'm going to be using to clean it. And I have emu oil. I suggest that you get emu oil for your nose piercings. It just cleans it and it moisturizes it and it heals your skin way quicker. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. I'll see you guys next time. Comment down below if you have any suggestions for me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, screenshot, post it on my story, comment, and share again, and then re-like it and subscribe again if you're new. Welcome. You feel me? You just see me do some stupid shit. But yeah, gang gang, I did it, period, because I'm a badass bitch. I'm a gangster, period, poo. Yeah, until next time.